see anything. Like visibility was absolutely horrible in the fall down south, and you can't even see what's ahead of you because it was just and I think there's but there's sunshine over there. See it? Is that overly directed? No. At least it's not hail. At least there's a little bit of sunshine. Oh my god. So there's no rain over here. Maybe this is just
Yeah, it's dry.
it's dry.
Up north, right?
It's clear. Crazy weather in Canada, hey? So this is the weather here. You can see the rain is right there. So we just came from there. And then head out this way. It looks promising that way. There's a lot of rain there still. We just came from the rain. Right there. Oh. Yeah.